Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Chef André Davy, and if you're one of my regular supporters, welcome back. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so. So today I've decided to make a very simple salad for you guys, and it's a spinach salad. So my spinach are already washed, and I have right here some sliced cucumber with the seeds already removed. I have julienne red onion. I have some bell pepper, yellow, and I have red bell pepper. And right over here, I have some pistachio. So I'm going to go right into the video, guys. This one is pretty easy. So I'm just going to take my handful of spinach and put in my bowl. And then I'm going to just combine all the ingredients that I have right here. So my sliced cucumber, I'm just going to put it directly in my bowl, guys. My red onion, sliced julienne, or however you want to call it, right in my bowl. And my julienne, red pepper, and my yellow bell pepper. See, guys, I'm just going to go in with all of it. And what I'm going to do, as you can see, guys, I'm wearing a glove, so I'm just going to use my hand to toss. Just like this, guys. See, guys, this is so beautiful and quite easy. And today, guys, I will be using a Thousand Island dressing, ready-made Thousand Island dressing, to make it a little bit more easier. So I'm going to get these out the way. Yes, guys, my Thousand Island dressing. So I'm just gonna squeeze some on top, just like that, guys. And I'm gonna go ahead and toss again with my hands. You can go ahead and use a spoon, a fork, a tongue, whatever you're comfortable with. So I'm just gonna be gentle on my salad, just like this, guys. See how beautiful it is, guys? Wow, this is amazing, and it is pretty easy. So from there, guys, what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna add my pistachio, just like that, guys. And that is it. That is it, guys. The salad is ready. My easy spinach salad is ready, guys. Look how beautiful it is. Wow. Just gonna put some of this nice color on top, just like this, guys. See? Very easy. Here you go, guys. Your spinach salad is ready. Enjoy, and thank you so much for watching my video, and I will catch you in another video, guys, very soon. So please stick around. Bye bye.